njengamanje. Sawubona Wephiwe. Ngikhothi uyaphila. Ukhuluma noMaMpume. Okay, ngisebenzisa ifoni kaMpume njengamanje. Ispeaker sami mina asikho right, kweyami ifoni ewu-079 ibikade ngilokhuze kuyona, ngikutshele kuyona ukuthi uMpume useshonile. Ushone ngabo-2. Wephiwe, ngikhothi uyakhumbula namdonathela uMpume imali nje, yamsiza kakhulu leyo mali. Indaba kaMpume, uMpume uqale ukuba nenkinga ngo-2023 April. Angikhumbula kahle la nje lento yakhe yaqala khona futhi eseyizwa-ke. Wayehlala nale ntombazane ekuthiwa uMazukula. Babebanga iy'mpahla kaMpume. uMazukula wayentshontsha iy'mpahla kaMpume, ey'gqoka, poste ngazo. Bakhona abantu abamaziyo uMadlukulu or uMazukulu on TikTok. Apparently they've met ku-TikTok. So they ended up staying together. Cela nimshireleni live. All of this. Cela uqalele i-voice note phansi. Sawubona Wephiwe. Ngikhothi uyaphila. Ukhuluma noMaMpume. Okay, ngisebenzisa ifoni kaMpume njengamanje. Ispeaker sami mina asikho right, kweyami ifoni ewu-079 ibikade ngilokhuze kuyona, ngikutshele kuyona ukuthi uMpume useshonile. Ushone ngabo-2. Wephiwe, ngikhothi uyakhumbula namdonathela uMpume imali nje, yamsiza kakhulu leyo mali. Indaba kaMpume, uMpume uqale ukuba nenkinga ngo-2023 April. Angikhumbula kahle la nje lento yakhe yaqala khona futhi eseyizwa-ke. Wayehlala nale ntombazane ekuthiwa uMazukula. Babebanga iy'mpahla kaMpume. uMazukula wayentshontsha iy'mpahla kaMpume, ey'gqoka, poste ngazo. Nje ngiyakhumbula uMpume wazongitshela ukuthi yazi endlini baney'mpahla ey'fanayo, akazenza kanjani ukuthi bebe ne-choice efanayo. Kanti uMazukula ndini wathatha ukhiye, wasika ukhiye werumu kaMpume. Wayengekho, wayevula ashuthe ngey'mpahla zakhe, aphoste ngazo. Nje wambamba-ke emsebenzini iphume early ngoba wayengaphilile emsebenzini, basheshe bathi akahambe. Kanti uzofika uMazukula amfice ekamereni lakhe, impahla zakhe y'gcwele umbhede. Baxabana-ke lapho-ke kakhulu, kakhulu, kakhulu. Ngathi mina akafuna enye indawo, wamshiya uMazukula. Okay, sayifuna-ke indawo. uMazukula-ke kusho ukuthi-ke waxolisa uMpume. Kunabantu abathi inetwork yami iyabheda. If inetwork right ngicela ifake emojis. My network okay, kunomuntu othi inetwork mzala. Network right. Wathi right. Guys, ngingadistabile thitheke rewende kancane. Iphume early ngoba wayengaphilile emsebenzini, basheshe bathi akahambe. Kanti uzofika uMazukula amfice ekamereni lakhe, impahla zakhe y'gcwele umbhede. Baxabana-ke lapho-ke kakhulu, kakhulu, kakhulu. Ngathi mina akafuna enye indawo, wamshiya uMazukula. Okay, sayifuna-ke indawo. uMazukula-ke kusho ukuthi-ke waxolisa uMpume. Yeah. Ngento ayenzile ukuthi asebenzise iy'mpahla zakhe nokuthi asike ukhiye wasekamereni lakhe, waserumini yakhe. Wathi uyaxolisa. Ngathi mina uyamthemba kangana lo muntu ukuthi uyaxolisa. Umthemba njani umuntu okwazi ukusika ukhiye werumu yakho, agqoke iy'mpahla zakho, aphoste ngey'mpahla zakho? Umthemba kanjani loyo muntu okwazi ukwenza into enjalo nje ngaphandle kwe-permission yakho? Wathi hhayi phela umuntu uyanikwa ithuba lesibili. Umuntu uma ewonile kanye akuchaza ukuthi sekufanele-ke ungaxoli. Kanti-ke uxolisa nje ufuna ukumthola kahle. Ngazukula-ke njalo ekuseni wayenza itiye lakhe sinompume everyday. Before emsebenzini uMpumi yamenzela itiye, naye enza itiye bephuze before uMpumi ehambe emsebenzini. Okay, kanti ngolunye usuku uMpumi ezokhohlwa i-face wash erumini. Engasahlala e-bathroom ngenxa yokuthi uMazukula wayesebenzisa i-bathroom bese engayithengi. Sorry.
No problem.
Okay. Athi sengenile-ke e-bathroom akakhohleke i-face wash aphindele erumini uthatha i-face wash. Uthi uma esebuya, angithi la eMalokhuzane uma-complex ikhishi ne-lounge kwa-open space. Uthi vele kuthi akame mayema abone uMazukula kunento ekhipha la ebeleni. Kuthi akakhuluma ukuthi bese ethi ufuna ukuthula abuye ethi wenzani. Khiphe lento ebeleni bese efaka ama-drops kwi-coffee mug kaMpumi. Avale leli bhola liMazukula libuyisele emabeleni. Uthi lincane. Lincane. Njengangabhodlela lomuthi wendlebe. Lime futhi njengebhodlela ngazi ukuthi uzothi umuthi wani lo wani. Uthi uMazukula bese aqalaza ukuthi kuhlangana amehlo ukuthi bese abuza ukuthi weMpumi ufuna isikhathi esingakanani umile wena lapho. uMpumi bese ngithi yini lento efaka etiyeni lami. Uthi-ke aqonde kuyena-ke beyibangeke lento. Beyibangeke uMpumi esho ukuthi akwazi ukumphucelela ibhodlela. Alibeke phezu kwetafula alishuthe alithathe uMazukula. Libhodlela. Uthi engakalithatha uthi alishuthe. Athi uyalividoriza alithathe uMazukula. Njengoba kunevidiyo encane nje engekho. Inkinga yaqala lapho-ke. Ngingakazi ukuthi waqala nini ukumfakela. Njengoba yena wathi uma esekhulapsa emsebenzini eseyiswa udokotela wathi wayiwe esibhedlela. Kwathola ukuthi umzimba kaMpumi ugcwele ikhemikhali. Bambuza ukuthi usebenza ngekhemikhali ngathi cha. Pho wathi angazi. Phiwe, inkinga yami anginemali yokungcwala ingane yami. Ngicela i-donation, ngicela ningidonethele. Anginayo imali yokungcwala uMpumi. Njengoba ngisho uMpumi yena ubesebenza. Last year ngo-October ngagcina sengihluleka ukukhokhela ipolisi. Ngenxa yokuthi uMpumi uyagula, ngehla ngenyuka. Kulele sibhedlela sikahulumeni. Nenye imishini. Isibhedlela engekho. Dokotela angibhalele. Fanele ngiyithengele mina. I-Dischem noma kwa-Clicks ngiyilethe esibhedlela. Anginayo imali yokungcwaba ingane yami. If uMpumi ngimgcwaba fanele ngimgcwaba cash. Lo engingenawo. Njengoba ngihluleka nje ukukhokhela ipolisi. Ela Phiwe ungicelele i-donation kuma-followers akho. Sifiso sami uMpumi engcwatshwe Friday. Ngifisa kanjalo kodwa nginayo imali. Kade ngithi ngiyakufonela. Ngiyacabanga mhlawumbe kusemsebenzini yasebenza. Busy lapho busy khona. Ngicela ungiphendule, ngicela ubuye kimi. Please.
Mfethu ngizoyidlala futhi for the one last time le voice note then sizokwazi ukuthi
Hi bazala bakaMzitho, welcome to Mgosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. So bazala bam, I wanted us to talk about Upubi, guys. Upubi, when I first knew of her, ngimazela TikTok, I think it was late 2023 because I thought it was 2024. But it was 2023 because as ashuma makhe ukuthi ushone ugule from 2023. Umphume ke before kuba noThamar kukwaba nomuntu bathi uQueen Loli. Yes, into eyana enjalo Queen Loli. Umuntu akhona, I'm not sure whether uyi-transgender or uyi-gay, but he was not born a female. So I'm not sure ubulili bakhe kahle kahle. So that lady, even now ngibone ngathi ubuyile, that lady, I'll call him a lady because naye ufuna ukubizwa kanjalo, and that is how he prefers to be. Hi bazala bamzitho, welcome to Mgosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni, umgosi wethu wanamhlanje. Bazala bamzitho, I just wanted us to talk about the Mpumi situation. If you didn't see her, Mpumi, she was a very famous TikToker about 2022, 2023, guys. TikTok yakhe bekadume kakhulu ngokulwela amalungelo wabantu besifazane because mina I've seen her twice, bengimfollower. I've seen her twice alwela abantu, guys. Umuntu someone bekazichenya ngokuba mZulu, and she was so beautiful. This lady, she was so beautiful, very confident. So kuqala ngambona alwa noQueen Loli. If you don't know Queen Loli, before Tamar we had I don't know whether we gay so or we transgender. Queen Loli loyo bekahlala bhesha abantu abasidudla. He'll always bash abantu besifazane, atshela abantu abasidudla ngale ndlela le bangeke ba-attract amadoda ngakhona, asho ngale ndlela amadoda always nje ahlala abona amaphutha wabantu besifazane and ahlala agcina abantu besifazane-ke. One of the good days wavula i-live wangena-ke Mpumi wasilwela lapha. I really enjoyed the live, ngisayibukela nama and ozohlala ngimkhumbula ngalo because we really needed someone ozosimela kumuntu ofana noQueen Loli. Bekaney'tana zingathabanga tse, and you could swear ukuthi uQueen Loli ubhadalwa mhlawumbe abantu besilisa ukuthi amele or to destroy just the self-esteem yabantu abaningi besifazane. And that man, she doesn't even know 10% abantu besifazane abagoa through them. But I am so proud of how Mpumi handled the situation, even though abantu abanye they felt as if umthukile, kodwa she had no choice because bese sihlala sisepeyilini nje ku-TikTok. You understand? Then there was a time I remember I-addressa umsisi wakhona abhulishe umntwana. That time I was so happy, guys. If you have been following me, you'll know that nyawanyanya amabhulisi, and anginayo ispace sokuthi ngizwe even the side of the story ebhuli, because I don't understand ukuthi umuntu basuke umzwisa ubuhlungu umbhulisha ungamazi noma ngabe uyamazi, usucabangani la emqondweni wakho. So guys, Mpumi shows ukuthi umuntu vele onozwelo and umuntu ngathini okwazi ukuqabangela omunye umuntu. Mpumi bathi 2023 or 2023 early, she met this friend through TikTok. Umngani bekacoshwe indoda, she was going through a divorce, agijinyiswa umngani lo ukuthi umngani lo uyo-atrain umngani to uqola abantu imali. Mpumi wamnika i-chance, wamthatha wamhlalisa kakhe, bahlala boyi-2. It was a 2-bedroom apartment. Mabahlala lapho, Mpumi started noticing ukuthi umngani ugqoka impahla zakhe. Uzibona kanjani? Through social media. Umngani makapostile, uyabona le mpahla la mani le top mani eyami, yabo liyayeyami. Ngelinye ilanga eli-wrong nje, or ngelinye ilanga lesilimo, or ngelinye ilanga uNkulunkulu bekafuna ukuvula amehlo kaMpumi. Umpumi aphume emsebenzini only to find umngani ekamereni lakhe, and ikamera balikhiya. Ekamereni lakhe umngani usikise isikhiya sekamera lakaMpumi. First red flag, guys. Okay, bayikhuluma indaba khona, baxolelane and move on. Hey guys, yazi ukulunga njengoba ke the other day futhi makavuka ekseni amile lapha on passage, because you know ukuthi izindlu lama-apartment lama-apartmentweni most of the time uthola ikhishi lihlangane ne-dining room. So makamile lapha abona umngane athela something like i-drop, yabo bathi into khona yincane engathi umuthi wendlebe or welihlo. Makayithela le ekomitshini lakaMpumi, umngane bekasavuka everyday ekseni ayenzela uMpumi i-breakfast. Makathi ubona umngani utell her that thing. Okay, bahirisane. I'm not sure whether she did take a picture or not, because bathi bengasaba ukuyishoot. I don't know whether that picture yaphumelela. After then, few days after umphumo wawo emsebenzini waphuthuma esibhedlela, azange asaphinde abe right. Last year late mina I've seen ividiyo obuyisisi naye umZulu ku-TikTok acelele umphumo ama-donation. Yabo athi umphumo akekho right. But I didn't think, guys, it is this deep. You get yabo yonke lento le kaMpumi. I think as I've posted i-voice note uPhiwa edlalile on i-live yakhe yakaba makaMpumi. Yabo nje le story les it shows, guys. I always say la kumina kule show channel lami, if TikTok uyajiva ungaskimi TikTok ejivayo, ungayenzi le mistake. If unomngani wena mhlambe ulangazelela umshado nomngane alangazelela umshado, ngiyanitshela khona la khona uzovuka umona, ukhona uzovuka umona. And umona yenye into, because akekho umuntu othi mina nginomona, akekho umuntu othi mina nginomona. Mina yamukela ukuthi mina nginomona. But when you grow and abanye abantu, remember, awukhulanga nabo, omunye umuntu awumazi, abanye they are good pretenders. So don't you dare uskime umuntu more, especially ofuna lento wena onayo, especially if wena sonayo leyo muntu uyafuna lento leyo wena unayo, because leyo muntu leyo izoba inkinga. Tell me ukuthi why this beautiful lady abulala uMpumi allegedly kuthiwa uye bekafaka that thing. Why would she do that? Because I've went through her TikTok. She's beautiful, this lady. Yabo uNkulunkulu wangakuphi inhliziyo yokamukela nokumela, because I don't really understand ukuthi umsusa wendaba engqondweni yakhe bukusuka kuphi ukuthi aze ayenze uMpumi isilungu esingaka. Abakhulanga bonke bazilana through TikTok. Mhlambe sizothi bekabulela ubona ngoba bebakhula bonke, or ubudlela ubona ngoba baby indoda or what. But most of the time i-situation bayiso, guys, kusokulela indoda. Not ukulela indoda ukuthi ubani wathanda, no, kusuke lo oyenza ubenze ububi asuka futhi indoda kalo, because now we all know ukuthi there was no way ukuthi uzothatha mhlawumbe umsebenzi kaMpumi ngoba they were not working emsebenzini oyi-one. So i-situation kanje kukayi-two, it's either indoda or umsebenzi. Yizo futhi vele izinto ezilwelayo emhlabeni masowukhulile, indoda umsebenzi. So because they were not working emsebenzini oyi-one, they were not doing umsebenzi oyi-one, lo munye lo umenza ububi engathi uyenza nalezi zinto zabo modeling, you understand. And uMpumi engathenga ukuba nomzimba. So I think into bemshaya abafana, mhlambe mabahamba boyi-two abafana bebashayela uMpumi muhle and naye ugirl muhle. So I think mina indoda, but you'll never know into egijima engcondweni yomuntu onenhliziyo embi. You will never know. You will never know. Mhlambe bangadinga naye the fact ukuthi uMpumi into zakhe zihlangene, and she was young. Remember bathi uMpumi this year kade bekana 30, bekazothela 30 or uzothela 31, but she was very young the time ayenza yonke lento ngabo 2023. uMpumi, she was in her late 20s. Maybe inhliziyo yakhe bemhlungu ukuthi le ngane iseyihlanganise konke lokhu amncane kangaka, you understand. But mina nje bazali bami, all I will tell you ukuthi when you are old, you do not need umngani. You need a therapist if you feel as if khona umuntu ofuna ukumthulela izindaba. If uyakhonza thulela umfundisi wakho izindaba. You do not need a friend, especially uma unomama unabo sisi bakho. I know there are things mhlawumbe ukhona ukuzitshela ubabakho, but zifundise ukuthule ukutshela ubabakho izinto. You do not need friends. Abangani ba-dangerous, guys. Abangani very dangerous. Nasi sihleli la siney'tori zethu nabangani bethu or ex-friend wethu. Abangani, they are very dangerous. They are so dangerous, abangani. You don't need umngani empilweni yakho. You don't need umngani. Nasi sihleli la sike sacabana nabangani bethu, ucabanele nje ukuthi umngani akwatela ukuthi am-invite-anga ku-graduation, kusho ukuthi bomelishiya abantu bakile uthathe yena. So nje abangani, they are so dangerous. Abangani, they are dangerous. You do not, I know khona umuntu ozothi no mina nginomngani wami all right. We are not saying bonke abangani, but most, especially female friends, they're dangerous, guys. They're dangerous, those people. I've seen someone who TikTok athi even male friends, they're dangerous. But ke angazi ngezwa abangani babafana aba-dangerous njengabantu besifazane. Because umuntu osifazane ahlala nawe acting as if there for you, kanti she's destroying you. It is so sad. Indaba kaPumi uzosuhluka futhi cabanga just that ngine-flu heavy ingakho izolo ngakhulumanga ngayo. So, that is all for now. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Ngithanda ukuya nokubuya.